he's slipping. I wasn't paying attention. He's slamming.
Neither one of us were.
Yeah, got all the way down. Crushed it. There's no doubt about that one.
It's a good one.
Not bad, not bad. All right, first fish of the day. Or night, I guess it would be, huh? All right, we're gonna put him back in the river. Darted back down there. Oh, there you go. All right, there's another one. We just released my fish 1 minute ago. This one kind of looked a little channel-y or something different with him.
Came off a brush ball.
Did it?
It's definitely not flathead. Look how it's flaky.
Yeah. He hit it like a channel cat. Could be a small blue, I guess, too. That's a little baby flatter. You could probably leave it him up. But, you know, it's a start. It's action.
First fish in a year.
Hell yeah. Hopefully they get bigger for you today and tonight.
They got mud on their belly.
Yep.
See what, buddy?
There,
Bigger.
dude. If he like feels big, I'll rip that anchor up real quick. There it goes. Oh, come on. It's definitely flathead. Moving out of line. Come on, Barry. Come on. You have to intervene. Fish on. All right, good job.
That one's out pretty far.
Start pulling him out to the right, you know. Point, yeah, keep the rod out that way just so you don't go in the anchor.
One of them ones. What I'm doing. It's hard to tell.
Oh god, this is nerve-wracking with that anchor there. If you start feeling crazy vibrations, you know what? You might have to take him that way. I think he's see the anchor rope.
Not on.
Yeah, not yet. Nice. All right, that's a pig. A little bit of a mess. Almost got our back anchor, but
Anchor, 2 lines.
oh, that's a stud, dude.
Look how fat he is. Yeah, that's a killer.
All right, guys, Devin just got a pig. We're gonna get a weight on him, and we'll get some pictures of this guy. He's definitely
That's a
picture
fat
worthy.
fish.
He's a tank. Like he's built like a tank. But we'll be back here in a little bit with the release. Oh, that's
Yeah.
all right. Devin just got a pig. It's our 3rd fish of the trip. It's a stud. It's going back in the river. That's where we put them all. Oh, did you? Got a big mouth, big head. Oh. Does he feel like he got any size to him?
Anchor.
Alright, well that's 2 hits here right away.
Take it with you. It felt like a giant. I thought I had him clear of it.
If he does that again, I'm gonna try to hook him.
Little rock. Double. Doubled up.
Netter, you think? Looks like it's coming up pretty easily. Oh! That was about to go down. Is he still on that? Two dinks. Double dink, double. Dink double. Alright, we just got a double dinker here. Probably combined weight 7 pounds and 2 flatheads.
It's being generous.
But, you know, it got us up off our seats and was exciting for a split second. Look at them little babies. Jesus. Where are their parents at? Out here roaming the ledge this late at night? That's embarrassing.
You look like a bass fisherman.
What are you guys doing out this late?
When I was growing today, that was
Right there.
super rowdy. Oh, better fish.
Better fish. We just released our double dinks.
At least I think so. He was pulling drag when I.
Well, he might have just turned them. It's not going to be as small as the last one, I guarantee you that. All right, here we go.
All right, I lied.
That's another dink. Well, he's a little bigger than the last two. Look, he's all wrapped up in the leader. Double hook Kentucky rig.
Cut bluegill.
Cut bluegill.
That's wild.
Yep.
All right, go get bigger.
Yeah, please do.
Send your parents.
Isn't it crazy? It's like the dinks are just running up this ledge.
Yes. Different.
Look at
Oh
that
my God.
flathead.
That's a giant.